Vivo has unveiled the X300 Ultra, a flagship camera phone with external optics and shooting accessories. Vivo has unveiled the X300 Ultra smartphone in China with a focus on mobile photography. One of the main features is a 3-camera module developed in collaboration with Zeiss and external telephoto lenses with focal lengths of 200 and 400 millimeters. In addition, SmallRig has released a set of accessories for video shooting. The X300 Ultra is based on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. There are versions with 12 and 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256, 512, and 1024 GB of permanent memory to choose from. The image is displayed on a 6.82-inch display with a resolution of 3168 x 1440 pixels and an adaptive refresh rate of 144 Hz. A 6600mAh array battery with 100W fast charging is responsible for the autonomy. There is also 40W wireless charging. Of the communication modules, there are 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and satellite communications, but only in the maximum configuration. The case has a USB-C 3.2 port. The camera unit consists of 3 modules. The main Sony LYT901 is 200MP with optical stabilization. Sony LYT818 wide-angle 50MP camera. Samsung ISOCELL HP0 200MP telephoto. The smartphone records video in 10-bit log 4K 120fps and works with the AVP codec. A system of 4 microphones is provided for audio recording, and the VS1 Plus coprocessor is responsible for image processing. Vivo has prepared a special set for fans of mobile photography. It includes 2 telephoto lenses with focal lengths of 200 and 400 millimeters, a case with a handle and a built-in 2300 mAh battery, a set of fasteners, filter rings, a belt, and a bag. A special set of accessories has been released for video shooting, developed in collaboration with SmallRig. It includes a cage, handles, light mounts, a cooling system, and buttons to control the zoom and shutter release. The Vivo X300 Ultra is available in 3 colors: black, white, and green. The prices are as follows: 12 256 GB, 7,000 yuan, 16 to 1024 GB plus satellite connection, 9,000 yuan. 16 1024 GB plus set for mobile photography, 12,000 yuan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates.